Hello, this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Oh, the birdie's cute. I love them. This is again the Bird Ballad suite of products. So it's this Bird Ballad paper, and then there's this stamp is the Free as a Bird, and I've coloured it in using the blends. So let me show you how I did it. Supplies: you're going to need our thick Whisper White card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we're going to need a piece of our designer series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and then a scrap of Whisper White. So let's stick this down first to our card base. Okay. Let's just see if we can get this straight. And I love this blossom paper. It reminds me of spring. And today in Lincoln is a very grey, gloomy, wet, yucky day. It really feels like winter's on its way, so this is a lovely card to brighten the day up. Okay, so the birdies. This was the stamp set Free as a Bird, and we're going to be using this lovely stamp here of the birds. So let's get started. I'm going to stamp it in Memento ink because we are using our blends to colour in. So let's get this nice and well inked up. Okay, and then just down, hold it for a few seconds, and up. Lovely. Perfecto. Ce n'est pas mal. Okay, so now we're going to start colouring, and I'm going to start with the birds. And for the birds, let me tell you what colours I use, because I'll put you on fast forward for the colouring. So I've used So Saffron, and then I've used a little bit of Crumb Cake as well for the birds, and also for the branch, as well as the soft suede. The leaves I've used is Old Olive, and then for the flowers I've used Flirty Flamingo, and then for any mistakes I've got my colour lifter. Okay, so I'm going to put you on fast forward now, and I'll catch you up at the end. So there we have our little birdies all coloured in beautifully. So now we're going to cut them out, and we're going to be using these dies called the Stitch Nested label dies, and these actually come with the stamp set as a bundle, and you can save 10%. So I'm going to be using, whoops, the largest die here, this one here, and I'm just going to put that through the Big Shot now. Okay, so I've put that through the Big Shot now, so now I'm going to bring back on our card base and I'm going to attach it using dimensionals. And I'm nearly at the end of my dimensionals, so waste not, want not. I'm going to use all the edge bits here so that I make the most of my product. I mean, these edges are just dimensionals in another form, that's all. So just cut off what I want. There's still one left there, so he can go there. That's enough. And then just take the backings off. Okay, and then all we have to do is stick it down. Try and get it straight at the same time. And there we go. That's the one I just made. That's the one I made before. I really like them. I love these paper and the stamp set. The whole bundle is just brilliant. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. If you want any information about the project, it'll be on the blog post that's on my website, and the link is in the description box below. The other thing I wanted to mention is that I have started a Facebook group called All Things Crafty, Crafting with Ushi. So please do check that out and see what you think. Link is below. So thank you again. Until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.